Yes, you can make black smoky eye look super wearable. Hey guys, this is Chandni and let's dig into the video. First, I'm brushing my eyebrows and making my eyebrows nice and full with Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. I'm applying very little pressure. We don't want anything dramatic on our brows, and brush it again to blend it all. Using a gel kajal from Faces Canada, I am using it first in my waterline and lower lash line. So here's my eye socket, and we don't want to take the kohl up to that. We will keep a gap. That means I will apply the kohl in half of my lid space. I love this kohl. It glides so smoothly, but you can use any kajal you like. Next, taking the black shade called Star Girl from Patricia Brightright Rich in Life palette and setting the kohl, it will make the kohl transfer proof and matte as well. Then, taking this brown shade from the palette, I will apply it onto the crease and start blending. It will create a good transition. Smoky eye looks are all about blending and trusting the process. I'm flicking it a bit to give it an elongated look. Then, without taking any product on a fluffy blending brush, I will mix everything so that it may look seamless. You can anytime add the brown shade and intensify the look, or blend it more so that no harsh edges are left. In my lower lash line, instead of using a black eyeshadow, I am using the brown shade and smudging it a little bit. This step will make sure your eyes aren't looking like you got punched in your eyes. I'm using a small pencil brush for it. For my brow bone and inner corners, I am using a shimmery eyeshadow today, but you can obviously use a highlighter or a light shade of eyeshadow. This will keep the look muted and subtle. Then, brushing my eyelashes, I will apply few coats of Myglamm mascara in my upper and lower lashes. And to take away any clumps, I am rolling my spoolie again onto my lashes. I am adding the kohl in my waterline again as I think it had faded away a little. After my upper lashes have completely dried, I am curling my lashes again. It will pump up the lashes. This looks stunning without falsies, but for a bit drama, I have used falsies from Swiss Beauty. I am using a matte eyeliner from Color Bar to hide any reflection that the translucent glue is creating. When it will dry up, everything will look seamless. Or you can use a black matte shadow with a flat shader brush. And that's the stunning look. It's so glam and wearable. Trust me, you will receive a lot of compliments. If you like it, please consider to subscribe, like and share. See ya!